Hello, I'm Abhishek. In this video, we are going to discuss set 1 of CAT 2017 reasoning section, slot 1 paper. So the question was, a new airlines company is planning to start operation in country. The company has identified 10 different cities which they plan to connect through their network to start with. The flight duration between any pair of cities will be less than 1 hour. To start operation, the company has to decide on daily schedule. The underlying principle that they are working on is the following. Any person staying in any of these cities should be able to make a trip to any other city in the morning and should be able to return by the evening. Fine. So they must be flight in the morning as well as in the evening as well. ठीक है, तो ये क्वेश्चन है. Now this was the information that was given to us. So let's move to the first question of this set. If the underlying principle is to be satisfied in such a way that the journey between any two cities can be performed using only direct flights, then the minimum number of flights, direct flight that need to be scheduled is see. हमें we need to minimize the total number of direct flights जिससे हम इन 10 cities में किसी भी city से किसी भी दूसरी city में जाकर और return भी आ सके. So basically we need to select 10 cities out of these 2 cities out of these 10 cities, है ना. Journey के लिए we need 2 cities, so that can be done in 10C2 ways. But then return journey भी है. So this is one way journey हो रही, तो return के लिए we need to multiply this by 2. Fine. And since we have 2 flights in morning in evening as well, so again we need to multiply this by 2 again, because we have flight in morning and we have flight in evening as well. So this will be our final answer. The NC2 is nothing but 45 into 4. So this is 180. So total number of 180 flights would be required for this. So let's move to the second question. Suppose 3 of the 10 cities are to be developed as hubs. Now what is a hub? A hub is a city which is connected with every other city by direct flights each way, both in the morning as well as in the evening. The only direct flights which will be scheduled are originating or terminating in one of the hubs only. Then the minimum number of direct flights that needs to be scheduled to start the underlying so that the underlying principle of the airline to serve all the 10 cities is met without visiting more than one hub during one trip. So first of all, there are 3 hubs जो उन्होंने बनाए हैं. This is hub A, this is hub B, and this is hub C. Now 7 cities are remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. ठीक है. Now these hubs are interconnected. Interconnected हैं, so there must be 4 flights from A to B. How 4? एक flight A to B in the morning, return in the morning. एक flight in the evening, return in the evening. So there must be 4 flights from A to B. Similarly, there must be 4 flights from B to C, and similarly there must be 4 flights from C to A as well. So in total we have 12 flights that are interconnecting the hubs only. Fine. So these 12 flights are basically interconnecting the hub. Now let us talk about this hub A. This hub must be connected with the 7 cities. So how many options do we have? See, the total number of flights that we need to have is 7 into 4. Why 4? देखिए, morning and evening 2 options, and onward journey and return journey 2 options. That's why we need to multiply it by 2 into 2. I have directly multiplied by 4. So we have 2 options here for morning or evening journey and 2 options here for onward journey or return journey. So similarly in case of B, we must have 7 into 2 into 2 flights to connect B with these 7 cities, and C को भी इन 7 cities से connect करने के लिए we must have 7 into 2 into 2 flights. Now the total number of flights is, this is 28, 28 and 28, so total 84, and 12 flights were there which were interconnecting the hubs. So in total 96 flights are required for this. Fine. So the correct answer is option C, 96. Third question of this set. Suppose 10 cities are divided in 4 distinct groups, G1, G2, G3 and G4. So this is G1, G2 and G3 and G4. In G1 we have 3 cities, in G2 also we have 3 cities, and 2 each in G3 and G4. Fine. And the cities in G1 are A, B and C. Further, suppose that direct flights are allowed only between 2 cities satisfying the below condition. First, both cities are in G1. Okay? A city in G2 and A, city in G3 and B, and city in G4 and C. So basically, जो flights allowed हैं, वो कहाँ allowed है? Any city in G1 can connect with any other city in G1 itself. मतलब G1 में जो भी cities हैं, they are interconnected. Now A is connected with G2, B is connected with G3, and C is connected with G4. So now we need to find total number of flights. Now सबसे पहले जो G1 में interconnected flight है वो कितनी होगी? So we have three options, है ना? And morning and evening flight. So we have two options for that. And return or onward journey. So we have two options for that. So in total we have 12 flights which will connect the cities in G1 among themselves. है ना? ये interconnect करेंगी तो G1 की cities हैं उनको आपस में. Now from A to G2, from A to G2, है ना? There are three cities which you need to connect with A. Fine. And to connect every city with A, we need to have 4 flights. So in total, 12 flights must be there. Now to connect B to G3, अब यहाँ पर 2 ही cities हैं. So we need to have 3 into 2. Oh, sorry. In fact, this must be 2 into 4. 4 why? Because वही 2 option अपने पास morning और evening के हैं और 2 option अपने पास return और onward के हैं. So total 8 flights must be there. And similarly, in case of G connecting to G4, there must be 2 into 4 options. So in total, 12 plus 12, 24, and 8 is 32, and 8 is 40. So we must have 40 flights. This is the minimum number of flights. I am repeating this. ये 2 into 4 क्यों लिया है? See, we have 2 options in G4. So 2 for that. अब इन 2 cities को connect करने के लिए 2 flight हो सकते हैं या तो morning या evening. So 2, we have 2 options for this. And जो flight है वो onward journey की हो सकती है या वो return journey की भी हो सकती है. So we have again 2 options for that. Fine. So the answer to this question is 40. Okay, last question of the set. The question is same. The additional part is, however, due to operational difficulties at A, it was later decided. It was later decided. Just give me a second. Okay, so it was later decided that only flights that would operate at A would be those two and from B. Fine. So जो भी flights A पे आएंगी, A was a city in G1, वो केवल B से ही interconnect हो सकती है, वो C से interconnect नहीं हो सकती. Fine. And cities in G2 would have to assign to G3 or G4. तो G2 की जो भी 3 cities थी, let it be X, Y, and Z, उनको हमको either we need to assign them to G3 or G4, which were having 2 cities earlier. Fine. अब ये जो 3 cities हैं, इनको we need to assign it to either G3 or G4. Now the question is, what would be the maximum reduction in the number of flights? So basically, we need to minimize the number of flights. That will give us the maximum reduction. Now see, within G1, how many flights are required? So within G1, A to B, we need 4 flights. Fine. A to C, no flight is there. And B to C, we need 4 flights. So total 8 flights are required to interconnect cities within G1. Now, these 3 cities, we need to shift them to either G3 or G4. So मैं assume करता हूँ कि we have shifted 2 cities to G3 and 1 to G4. That won't make any difference. आप यदि सारी cities को G4 में भी include कर देते हैं, उससे भी answer में there won't be any difference. Now see, we need to calculate the number of flights which connect B to G3. अब B से G3 के connection रहेंगे. Now how many cities do we have in G3 now? 4. And for each city, how many options do we have? How many options do we have? 4 options. This 4 we have already discussed earlier. कि 4 कैसे आ रहा है? For morning and evening we have 2 options, and for return and onward journey we have 2 options. So total 16 flights would be required over here. And from C to G4, 3 cities are there in G4, and the option per city is 4, so 12. And 8 यहाँ से लिया, तो total हमारे को flight required होंगे 16 and 12 is 28 plus 8 is 36. And in the earlier question, we have seen that the total number of flight was 40. जो इन condition को satisfy कर रहा था, तो total number of flight was 40. But in this particular case, we need 36 flights only. The reduction is of 4 flights. So the correct answer to this question is 4. Fine. So this was an easy question from this GATE 2017 paper. I hope this must be clear to you. Thank you so much for watching the video.